Drag bias-ply is the cornerstone of the MT Race Tire program, with sizes to fit a variety of race vehicles, from sport compact cars on up to 5-second pro mods and outlaw 10.5 cars. The ET Drag has compounds and construction for every type of drag race setup and is best known for its consistent, fast, and long-lasting performance. In drag racing, consistency and performance wins every time. Without it, you're going on the trailer early. Mickey Thompson's patented rubber compounds require little or no burnout and are engineered for that consistent performance, which prolongs tire life. Prolonged tire life saves money. The Mickey Thompson ET Drag Tire is a proven drag strip winner with a variety of compounds for maximum traction. ET Drag comes in a variety of sizes to fit almost any racing application, from the Junior Dragster all the way up to the NHRA Hot Rod Heritage AAFC Series cars. To complement your set of ET Drag tires, Mickey Thompson is the only company that offers single-piece branded forged racing wheels called the MT Pro 5. The Mickey Thompson ET Drag Tire, available in many popular sizes for today's racing enthusiasts.